Some local health providers are working right now to get proper testing for those suspected of having the virus. Medical reporter Liz Bonus tells us exactly what they're doing. Liz, a lot of people interested in this.
Very interested. The team at Gravity Diagnostics, one of the first in the area to apply to work with state and local public health experts to help with testing. Now, they recently submitted an application to have tests sent for coronavirus to their lab. That means they submit the required methodology and validation to allow them to conduct the tests. They do expect approval within the next week or so to assist with lab samples. This according to Julie Brazil and JP Canner. The company, based in Covington, already tests now for a variety of viruses, such as the seasonal flu. For coronavirus testing, here's what they told us preparing for this week's What's Happening in Health show.
We're using basically PCR techniques, which people might be familiar with the news with the coronavirus.
PTR meaning?
PCR, sorry.
Oh, PCR, okay.
So polymerase chain reaction. So it's a way to basically take a very small amount of DNA and amplify it very quickly to where you're able to have detectable levels, and it's very specific as well. So we have the technology that's kind of throughout the healthcare system, but is also being utilized by the CDC during the COVID-19 outbreak. So what we were doing at Gravity is working with our partners at the FDA to validate that testing to be able to offer it to our clients and to kind of anyone who wanting to receive that testing.
That means once a sample is sent to their lab from a hospital or doctor's office,
we are planning on having 36-hour turnaround time for the results, and it's always been, since the beginning of our company, we've always wanted to step in when there's that gap in care, or maybe the hospitals can't handle the demand or they don't have the kits. So we are, just being here to support our community and be there for the people who need to get this testing done.
Now, interesting, some of the hospitals are able to get tests back same day from the state health department, but as the demand grows, they'll need these other labs. We also expect someday there will be a home test for a virus like this. We will continue to update you as they get approved, and so do other labs, and we'll let you know more, guys.
All right, Liz, thank you. Good information there. And if you think you should be tested for the coronavirus, public health professionals suggest calling ahead to your doctor's office or clinic rather than just showing up there in person.